Hello, guys. Welcome back to today's topic. Today's topic na my story, true story with Rita. So now say me I share am with una. Now na testimony I come thank God today. Which una know say today na my daughter birthday, 29th of July 2020. I wan thank God. I wan share with una my life story. So may I start am now. Today, 2017, it was tough. Like this kind 2017, it was tough. When doctor was panic, the hospital where for register na private hospital. But the private hospital, they fear, they come dey panic, they come say, this my pregnancy, e get as e be. Say me, I no go survive am. Say I no go survive am, and moreover na operation they go do to this my pregnancy so that many pikin for survive. So they say nothing do the baby, but me na dey panic for if I will fit survive am. Say no dey possible. So they come transfer me go Melon Hospital, the biggest hospital for Melon. So they come transfer me go there. So I still reach there. The doctors they panic, they fear. So they come say make I tell my husband make come test the blood group. Then they say wetin be blood group. Now say I no know. So I come put am for God and I come begin dey pray. Me, I be person, I no dey believe those kind thing. I dey believe say my God na miracle worker. So I no tell anybody about my condition. I no even tell mama. I no tell my father. I no tell my friends. I no tell anybody at all. I just put am for prayer. So the day when I wan give birth, no. So before the day when I wan born, doctor come give me one tablet say make I dey drink am, make I for fit get strength. So that tablet I just take only one for inside. I don't know as body dey do me. Now I just throw away the tablet. I can't just put am for inside a dustbin. I don't know why. So before the day when I wan born, they say I will give birth August. But July, I can't dey feel say I won't deliver. So July 29. So my children, I can't tell them say maybe I won't born. So my children come say, mommy, we no go sleep. Oh, now so they can't they sleep can't take them. Sleep can't take them. I only me with the day as that day. Labor start me 11. So I come born for around 3. I no call doctor because they don already see my condition. Say my enemy no survive and na operation. You understand? I say no. All these people they do one kind thing. Since they don already test me, they don dey fear. I no go even reach hospital first before they go put scissors for my belle. So anything can happen. So I can't dey house. I can't dey for labor. I can't only move. I can't just dey call God. Just dey get courage. Say my God, na miracle God. This one wey I dey tell na no be small thing. So 1 reach 2 o'clock in the midnight. So because we start the battle around 11, when my body dey give me sign 1, 11, 12, 1, 2, around 3 the night, the thing kaki no be let that again. So as I no call these people, I no go call ambulance. So after 3 the night, I just see the sign say yes, time don reach, no time again. So now I come call ambulance. When I call ambulance, they come ask me question. All question when they ask me, everything perfect now, baby. They call the panic. They come tell me say, madam, why you not quick come? Call us. Now I say no worry. I don't want quick call now because I know they like to go hospital. Say, pikin just do me small, just just go hospital. I say no. So they come say I dey risk my life, I risk children, the baby, this and this. Now say no, more no worry. Now make us they give them courage. So as they come my house like this, ambulance dey ring bell. My bell stop automatic. E no work. Bell when dey work since then. So I come tell them say make dem no worry, me go come down now because I dey 3 floor. So they say no, madam, no come down. I say I wan come down, me I go carry una go up. Then they say no. They call dey fear. So before they talk, I don reach the ground. As I just reach ground, I wan go carry them go up because I know say e no quick me again go hospital. I know say I dey born for house, and those ambulance wey come, they don sabi born person na just to carry person for house go hospital. So na so I no fit climb up again, e don late. Now they say madam, you get strength. They call dey panic. Now they come put me for the ambulance. I come enter inside ambulance. As I dey do am, pikin don almost dey ground, and they dey fear. Now say make dem no worry, only me wan fit deliver. I know say God don already do am. Hey my God! Now so I just stay sleep. I only know I call dey push. Yeah, the people, the ambulance man, na 2 men come and 1 woman. E come dey surprise say, you don first born before? Only you wan don first deliver. That's why I come take born my baby. I come born am for inside ambulance without operation, without doctor, without injection, without drip. I come deliver my baby. Now so they come take carry us go hospital. I'll cut the story short. When I reach hospital, they come, they embrace me and my pikin. See doctors come stay for door. The months come they clap for us before come enter inside. They just carry me fast. They look on my body. They ask me if I do okay. I say I'm very okay. So I want to use this opportunity. Take on tell una say, doctor will not be God, but I was too close to God. I keep on praying, and I don't believe wetin doctor tell me. I believe on my God. I know say my God, he no dey sleep neither slumber. He never disappoint me once. Na God of miracle, na me I dey serve. Today na see me, my pikin na 3 years, see me I dey alive. Na me dey take care of am, take care of my children. I no die, I no do operation. I tell God say my 3 children, I don first born 1, I no do operation. I born 2, I no do operation. I no die. No be 3 pikin, first, second, third, no be 3 pikin I take die. God forbid bad thing. I say, and moreover, my children never know me. I want to take care of my children. I want to serve you, Lord. And today, I can't thank God. So you when those kind of condition, when doctors tell you say you no go survive, keep on praying. Believe in God. Not go native doctor hassle. Not go tell your mama come dey go one place or the other. Because those kind of bad news, you don't need to tell your mama. I don't tell mama, don't tell my papa. If no hypertension, you so now so thank God for making it possible. I deliver like the Hebrew women, and my children and me will not be sick. Now glory be to God. Thank you all. Please love this my video. Subscribe. How you subscribe, you touch notification bell, your life will move forward. Bye bye. Ciao.